Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to attach 2 spinning brushes, or simply even one, for your Ultenic D5s. So in order to do this, first of all, let's turn our Ultenic upside down, like this. Now the wheels are facing up, and we are able to see the attachments for the spinning brushes. They are both of them are right here. Now let's take out our rotating brushes. It's 2 of them. In the package there should be 4. And now simply line it up to the attachment position like this and simply push it in. But be careful not to damage anything. Do it slowly. Like this. And the second one the same. Just don't force it in, do it slowly, like this. And now they are rotate, that means they are in the perfect position and they are hard to remove, so everything is good. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.